Okay, we're going live. Okay, cheers. Finally. So I thought I'd do another stream again today. I really want to like fulfill and like my not really promise, but just like my I really want to I really want to like keep streaming more this year compared to like the past few years where I've like I said I would stream, but then I just don't. Hello, Aether. Is everything good? Hold on, let me see. Yeah, that seems good. And then, okay. My bit rate seems fine. Okay. So, I just wanted to stream today because, for one, well, Color Collider Chapter 2 is coming out very soon. Well, I think it's already, it already is out, like on the official end, like the Geek Dogs end, but like the, the collection itself in BetterLegacy with all the new edits and stuff and cutscenes, which I will not show on stream because, I want you guys to see the actual premiere. So for today, I don't know, I just want to do some things like boss modeling, maybe even work on some levels or something. Okay, what was I doing here? Oh yeah, right. I was also trying to test some features to do with context menus here. Okay, that seems to not work still. That's weird. Okay. Okay, for context, I'm trying to right-click this, but it's like, it's not letting me right-click it. Why is that? Doesn't it have the context menu? Oh, it doesn't. Wait, did I not copy it over? Oh, I didn't copy. Man. Dang it. Wait, hold on. I also need to configure my Discord real quick. Where is this thing? Is it appearance? Yes. Okay. And it should say I'm streaming, and it should show the stream, right? Yes, okay, cool. Okay, I need to quickly restart BetterLegacy because I forgot to copy the current version of the mod over. Hold on. Technical difficulties. And hopefully my stream will act fine. Okay, is it? Okay, there we go. And is it, yes, it's detected the audio correctly. Cool. Okay, let me test this if it is working though, because that latest version should do this. Okay, let's see. Yes. Okay, so we got all these functions here relating to changing the text. We also got some copy functions. We got clear and we got move. So I'm gonna have test 1 and then test 2. If I move this down, yeah. Test 1 is now the second one. Okay, cool. And can I undo that as well? Yes, I can. Okay, so that all works. And I can also clear, right? Yeah, I can clear tags. And then I can undo that, right? Yes. Okay, this is cool. This is very cool. Reason why I'm doing this is because I want to be able to do something with, where is it? Editor groups. Oh, it seems like test collapse. Wait, what does that mean? Oh, I see. Okay, yeah. Assign to selected. Oh yeah. Okay, this is so cool. I really like this feature. I've not used it because it's like it's something kind of new. It's like I haven't really had a chance to really mess around with it yet. And also it's kind of limited with the fact that it's like you can only set it to like one like value instead of like multiple. But the fact that you can do that, I think. So let's say these parents here, I'm gonna name them, we're gonna add a tag called core parents. Okay. And then I'm gonna add a editor group, call it core parents, and use tags on. And then if I select object group, does that work? No, it doesn't. Why does that not work? Set all objects from group. Okay, I think I know why this is happening. Can't catch this right now. I've been passing by for a while though. Hope you're doing, you've been very well, Mika. Yo, Adsta, I haven't seen you in in years. Oh my god. Bro. Damn, that is a crazy throwback. Let's see, so I think that, I just did a change, real quick change. To the code, so let me rebuild that, see if that works. I wasn't intending on this being like a coding stream, but I'm not, I just needed to fix this because it's like, I really want to mess around with this particular feature. Okay. I gotta make sure that it's being detected. Hey OBS, look at the game. Oh my god. Okay. Now, if I go to view editor groups and then I select object group, yeah, there we go. Now it selects the things, select these objects with this tag. So that means that this tag system is now not just useful for like the game itself, but also for the editor, which is actually nice. Though this editor group thing is still this is still useful because specifically for the cases of let's see, where is it? For like the these settings, off, individual, and hidden. And also, I think selected layer stuff too. Move selected to layer. Actually, that might not That might not work actually. Let me see. Move selected to layer. Oh, I guess you could probably just like, yeah, you could select object group, and then you could move selected to layer. Oh wait. Move selected to layer. Yeah. I see. That is interesting. I forgot I did that. So that is again a very cool feature that I have there. And I think if I remember correctly as well, it is possible to also hide objects, hide timeline objects. If I go to here and then click hidden, yeah, now it's all gone, but it's still there. Like the object is still there, just the timeline objects aren't. So it's kind of a nice way to clean up that stuff. Obviously it means like, oh, it's gone now, but it like actually it's still technically there. It's just not rendered. So if I change it back to individual, then it hides, or then it's not collapsed anymore. And I could turn collapsed off as well. That is very interesting. I wonder what happens if I do hidden here. Okay, it doesn't do anything. That is an interesting thing. I wonder if I could make it so that you do that. Yeah, I'm not gonna worry about that too much. And now I need to, I'm gonna actually remove the, remove edit group from selected. There we go. I think something nice that would be, yeah, so these are core parents, but I think it'd be cool to also be able to do something like specify each individual section too. So this is the head section. And then these are the hands. This is the left hand. And this is the, can I invert that? No, I can't. This is the right hand. Okay, cool. And then these are the secondary parents. Which actually, I guess I could rename, no. Secondary parents. I was even some tertiary parents doing. Tertiary. I think that's how you spell it. I don't remember how to spell that. And then core objects. Then these are building objects. So if I view editor groups, I could actually add a group for head and then use tags on. And if I select object group, yeah, it selects the head parents, which is very cool. Okay, so I'm actually gonna apply that. Put it back into trick moon. There you are. Export. There we go. Okay, I'm not going to do that for all of my models yet. Might do that like some later date, probably off stream. But for that today, I want to see if I can update any other models. Or even design a new model. Actually, I'm curious if there's anything I could do, because maybe there's some characters I could probably do like a classic design or something of. Let's see. Or there might even be like a really old model I genuinely have not updated at all. Actually, I think there is one. If I go to Trick Moon, did I update Bleak? Yes, I did. Okay. Is he here? Yeah. Okay. Why is he up there? That doesn't seem right. Is it because of... Oh. Oh, okay. That needs to... Yeah. Dang it. Okay. I think he should be good. Is he using hex color? No, he's not. I mean, I guess it's not... I mean, it's black and white. It doesn't really matter, but I might as well do it anyways. Because it's kind of just what I do now with boss models. I think Buffer is using hex color. Yeah, he is. Otherwise, yeah, he would be using a different color scheme here in this level. Because I'm using Rhythm Tech theme. Yeah, I'm using Rhythm Tech theme, which he is not compatible with by default. Actually, I'm wondering if I could maybe try to update this design. I haven't really drawn like a full body sketch of this character yet. I've been kind of meaning to. But I guess I could probably do that. Inker, and yes, they're the same character. You'll see why later at a later date. Okay, why is it? What is happening here? Why is it like that? Oh, are these text objects? Oh, they are. Oh no. How do I? Okay, I think I might be able to fix this. I mean, it's not even the correct color scheme, anyways. It's supposed to be pink and blue. Not because of like not really because of like trans colors, but more because of like what they represent for the character. So which side is that? Okay, so that's that side. I can use hex color. Wait, I need the pink color. There we go. And then I can copy this. Wait, no, that's not gonna work. Okay, then, what I could probably do is just like go through each object and try to, yeah, I'm just gonna make them default. Wait, that's already a, oh, alright, I think I know why, yeah. I'm gonna have to change the shaping of the ear as well because it's not accurate to the current model. Although, didn't I make a... Because this is... there's like two forms of this character. There's like a kind of corrupted form, and then there's like a full-on superpower form. That's kind of the best way I can describe it. Why is it colored like that? What? Oh, it's using the... Okay, they're using that color. originally the moonstone was going to be there. The forehead, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna still do that. So I might remove it, but we'll see. Wait, ear outline. Why? That's not an ear. That's not the ear outline. What? That's the tail. Okay. It's so cool that I don't need to use like text objects anymore for like custom hex color stuff. Because it's always like kind of a pain having to deal with like text objects and stuff. Because it could never be quite accurate to like the actual shape itself. Okay, then I'm gonna uncollapse those. And I'm gonna go through the colors and try to fix it up because that's not correct. And then I'm gonna do some adjustment to the design to be more kind of what I'm looking for with this thing. Like for example, I think I'm gonna make the ears pointed like it was in the original aura level. Like if you guys, I don't know if you guys remember, like years ago, I think it was like back in 2021 or something. Or maybe 20. I'm not sure. It was level was released. I think it's in here. All levels. Yeah, there it is. Using Aura, Korea Aura, and it was a collab between me and another person. Oh, okay, I see. So yeah, you have kind of like a default form, and then it gains this like secondary form where the ears are like more pointy, and it's with the moonstone specifically. I see, and it's also super inker. I see. So, But also the lore is like kind of specific here though now. I think this form is going to be like, it's going to be the split color form, because there's like two forms. One has the split colors, another has just the pink. The pink one is the super inker, or the equivalent of the super inker. So I think I'm going to do the same thing here if I can. I think I'll try to make the design a bit more accurate to the character though. Or the character that's based on, because these are the same character, but you won't know yet. You won't know why yet. I already do have sort of a plan, but like it's not fully developed yet. But I think I do like what I have so far with it. Oh yeah, remember that? I think last time I put on a playlist, didn't I? Yeah, I did. So I could probably change this from PA Live audio to desktop audio. Oh, jeez. That was loud. Okay. Okay, that should be good. I usually like the eye objects to be like at the top. And then like the brows after that. Or usually like it'll be eyes, then pupils, depending on how the object is sorted. Like, you know what, let me expand inker, the normal inker. So yeah, usually it's like pupils, then brows. And then you have like the mouth objects after that. Oh wait, those are the eyelids, I see. Okay, cool. So I want to try to make the ears a bit more similar to these ears. I'm gonna I think I'm gonna do some parenting tricks as well with this. And I need to be the same like kind of scale, same sizing. It does seem a bit big, so I'll make it a little bit smaller to kind of match with the outline a bit. Okay, I'm also going to copy that. Parent this to the ear. That's 0, apparently. Okay, I need this object to be in front. What layer is this on? So that's rendered depth 17. This is also rendered depth 17. So I can't easily cover that, although I could just do this. Move it back a bit. Oh yeah, remember I did this, that's cool. So, okay, these are the objects I want to use to kind of cover the ear a bit, like this. Is that in front? No. And wait, what layer is this on actually? 17. So I gotta be careful. Okay, that's fine. Wait, where is it? Okay, there it is. Okay, it should be fine. And then ear right. And I need the ears to be a bit more accurate to the design as well, so... Hey, Cube. Okay, that should be good, I think. I actually like it if the, wait, why is it? Okay, there we go. If the, yeah, eyebrows are a bit thinner, maybe. Also, another thing I will state about this character is, do I have the mirror? No, I don't. This character is similar, in a way, to, this dude. Viral Mecha. Why has he got that expression on him? What? What the heck is happening there? Hello? Why are you like that? What? Oh, that's why. Okay. But yeah. So again, it's like a similar thing with the like split color idea. And it's a similar thing as well as to like their condition, but they're slightly different. Obviously, the fact that like, you know, Inker here is like light, you know, blue and pink outline, whereas Viral Mecha is white outline, and its colors are like more like inner, like on his, like on certain aspects of him, like his hands, his mouth, and his pupils. Whereas with again Inker, it's like the outline is the color situation here. So yeah, freaky Meg. I don't know why he had that expression. It was weird. And that's the default expression he has in his prefab. Weird. Jeez. Excuse me. Okay. What do I need to do next? Trying to think of other things to do with these. I mean, I think the... I do want to try designing the... the Super Inker. Which is gonna... how do I do that? Also, I am noticing that it is like, yeah, the nose is like different as well. Okay, yeah, the scale is kind of off. So let me fix that. Like the nose here is a bit too big. And also the positioning of it is also incorrect. Okay, it's like 0.7 instead of 0.25. So it's a little more accurate there. Also, there's like a snout kind of area, it seems like. Where's the nose object? Nose. Okay. What layer? And it's on layer 13. So I'm gonna put that there. And I need to basically copy this stuff over to here. Because they're like the same character, so it makes sense to make them a bit more similar. I think even in terms of their mouth too, their mouth structure, which what I could probably do there is like just copy the mouth from here. Yeah. If I can even like, hold on. What objects are these? Okay, these are the lips. Is there like anything else I need to worry about? Okay, I think that should be fine. Is there a mouth controller? No? Okay. I think I should be fine then. So just copy this, or select all this. I guess this is where having a mouth group would work there, but I'm not gonna worry about that right now. And let me assign the prefab and parent it to here. And I'm gonna need to remove the original mouth. And this actually gives me a chance to use, to put the color in there too. Okay. Remove the lips, mouth, and mouth. Okay. Don't really do that anymore. So I'm gonna copy that, wait, what? What did I just do? Okay, yeah, copy the pink outline and put it onto here. Yeah, okay. And then copy this and put it onto here. It does mean that there is like there isn't an exact split here. It's rather unfortunate. I wonder if... Wait, let me merge the models real quick, or compare them. Okay, they seem... Yeah, the mouth is in the same position. Yeah, we are missing the muzzle as well, muzzle area. What if I could do something with that? Maybe maybe I could make it a bit more spiky? Go out a little more? Yeah, I could do that. Is there a parent for this? Yes, there is a parent, so I should probably do the same setup here. Wait, how did I do the setup here? It's okay, so it's like you got the muzzle parent, which is at minus 2.5, 2.3. Also, how is this set up? So okay, brows, then eyes. Actually, realistically, it should be eyes at the top. That's what I usually do here. Why are the ears at the top here? What? That's not, again, that's not what I usually do. So, okay, eyes, then brows, then, well, pupils are there. Actually, I think I'll move pupils up. And then separate, yeah, that separates the muzzle as well. So where's the, so the muzzle's there. Let me paste it there. then the nose is parented to the muzzle? Yeah. Okay, so that's why it seemed a bit off there. And there actually, yeah, there actually isn't a snout parent, is there? Yeah, there's not. So. Then the mouth is not parented to the muzzle, so that's fine. I'll leave that as it is. Okay, this will be muzzle left. I think there's yeah, there is copy access as well, so copy all. And paste. It also has to be parented to there. Is this the x-axis? Yeah. So flip that. Is that correct? I don't know if that's correct actually. Hey Tori. Okay. What are we doing? Currently updating a model. Actually, is this gonna work? Because that's, okay, it's parented muzzle left. Is it gonna do what I need it to? No, wait, what? Or wait. Is it not scale parented? No, it is, so... Huh. Oh, wait, no, yeah, that's right. There's no face X tag and face Y. There we go. Okay, there we go, that works now. So I got the parallaxing working, but it's also, there's also an issue here where, like it does sort of do that. A solution could be to, yeah, do some parallaxing here, but also like, but then that could probably create a problem with the split. One easy solution could be to just like do this, like move it back quite a bit, and then scale it up. No, that's not gonna work. Dang it. Okay, I don't know what I'm going to do about that. Maybe I could probably do some parallaxing, but I'll do that once I've done this. Is it the pink color or is it the blue color? It's the blue color. Let's see. Oh, there is a spike down there too. What's the size actually? The difference? This is 0.5, okay. So it's not actually... Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that looks a bit more right there. But again, it's like a triangle down there, so I'm not sure. Yeah, and then that is a problem. Something I could probably do is like a copy axis, like, and have it scale down even more. Also, I guess another thing is like if it looks up and down, yeah. I'm gonna copy that, I'm gonna paste it onto here. I'm gonna change it to position, face Y, position Y. And I'm gonna change it to rotation Z. So if the face goes down, okay, it rotates that way. Oh yeah, no, I already set it to a sequence offset. Cool. The wind. I don't know. I don't know what that is. Maybe it's like interference in my room or something. I don't know. I don't really have like soundproofing or anything, so it's also it could be cars driving by. Yeah. Because again, I'm on the main road, so it's like it's a very busy road. Yeah, it's the cars, yeah. And maybe if I do this, so position X should translate to scale as well. And maybe it should also translate to like position as well, like not just scale but position Y. Okay, that sort of works. But if I go the other way, okay, then there's like a issue there. So I might have to do copy axis math for this one. Axis, copy axis math, because I have to do, I think, mirror positive. So position X, that's fine, yep. Then position Y, and it's like multiplied by 0.8. And also take sequence offset, just in case I need to do any crazy kind of thing. Okay, so this should be going upwards instead of downwards like this. So mirror negative. Yeah, like that. Or, okay, maybe... I just realized I could literally probably just do it like this. So back to 0.8, sequence offset. And if I look this way, then it sets the minimum to like 0. Yeah, there we go. That works. What about scale? Okay, yeah, the face doesn't really rotate that way, or go that way. Okay, if the face is looking this way, and then they look down... No. Wait, what? Okay, I'm getting some drop frames, I don't know, that's not good. I'm spending a lot of time trying to figure out this thing. Yeah, that's not good. Wait. Okay, yeah, there was some drop frames. I don't know what's going on there. My internet's just having a skill issue right now, I guess. Okay, what about this? Would rotating matter? Which one's the rotation? This one's a rotation, so I'm gonna set a custom name. Rotation. Does that matter? Oh yeah. Sort of, not really. If I set it to 20, yeah, it's fine, but then this is a problem. Wait, let me update real quick. Change it to version 2. Maybe I need to do that instead? No, it doesn't really help much. I mean, it helps like for here, but then like it goes back to here. So maybe I need a bit more parallaxing for the up and down. Or, you know what, I'm just gonna use copy access group for this, I think. So, wait, hold on. Yeah. X times 0.8. So from position X, oh no, okay, that's why, yeah. So okay, and then I want to get the sequence offset. Y, face Y, then position Y. Oh, actually, I don't need to clamp it like that, do I? Yeah, I don't. So realistically, I could literally just do this. There we go. So X times 0.8, and then I want to add Y. times 0.1. Or maybe like, yeah, flip it. Okay. Okay, yeah, it works. You can still see like a little clip, like point there, which is easily fixable by just changing the size slightly. Right? Yeah, doesn't appear anymore. Okay, cool. Then this parent just to the other one. And I need to copy this, paste this onto here. Oh, wait, no, that's not right. Oops. There, that's more what I was trying to do there. And now let me copy all of these. So let me set the name so I can know what they are. So set custom name. This is scale X. This is position X. Not scale. Position X. That's rotation. This is scale Y. Position Y. I think that's already handled here, yes. So I can get rid of that. Actually, let me move this in kind of a proper order. There we go, position X, Y is X, X1, there we go. Okay, now I can copy all, paste them onto here. Oh, buffering is happening again. I'm dropping frames. No! What the heck? Okay, I might have to maybe change... Okay. Hopefully there'll be less buffering. Okay, then scale X. Oh wait, I guess, yeah, the position shouldn't change like that, should it? That's weird. What is happening there? Oh, I think it's rotation, right? Or no. Which one is it? Position Y? Yeah. X times negative 0.8? No, where is this one? No. Oh, because, yeah, because this. I see. Okay. I don't really know. Hold on. What am I doing? Yeah, I think I'm messing this up. Okay, so position X should be mirrored, right? Or actually, no, because that would mean, yeah, it's going to flip the position, which I don't want. Yeah, I want it to be the same. I think. Although I do kind of like that, but it's like, again, it is sort of too much out. Yeah, so that's gonna like make it go out like that, which I don't want. Okay, so yeah, it should be negative. Or should it be? Oh, let me try this. Yeah, no, it should be. It seems like. Very weird. Yeah, it's not quite right. Oh, I think maybe it's the scale. Is it the scale? Yeah, it seems to be the scale. Maybe. I can still see it clipping like that, so I don't know what's going on there. Because like on the other side, it's not doing that. Yeah, I think I should probably yeah, you know, I'm gonna clamp the position X. That's probably what's going on here. Maybe? Yeah, that's what's going on. Okay. So I do want to move this up, and then this up as well. And I want to try making the super inker ears. So get rid of the normal ears. These ears are going to be changed to the viral inker ones. Oh, viral inker, the super inker. Wait, what? What just happened? Oh, I clicked off it. Yeah, I clicked off it. Man. The trucks are so loud. Eventually I will get like proper like soundproofing and proper setup, but for now this is something you guys gonna have to live with. Okay. And if I get rid of those and bring the original back. Actually, let me see, like, what are how do they compare? Okay, it seems like, they do seem a bit more spread out than I would like. Let me make them a little bit bigger too. Where's the like point of them? Okay. I want to make them move them a little bit closer in. There we go. Also want to turn relative off because I don't really use relative anymore. So we've got different types of ears we can use. We can use the kind of super one or the viral normal one. So yeah, that is an option we have. I also want to try doing a modifier for the different, like the split colors. So let me see if I can do that. See, left color controller. So apply color group. Also, I might as well get axis as well. Lerp. Use it get it from self, get it from the rotation. Z. And then left color. And let me assign this to these objects. Did I already select the nose? No, I didn't. Okay. Turn that off. Hide those. Okay, what's going on here? Also, I don't really want sequence offset for this one, so turn that off. Look color. Okay, there we go. Cool. That's exactly what I was looking for. And I can use hex color to do that. Peak. And then we can do the same thing for the other side. Right color. Flip that. And copy that. Okay, there we go. That's entirely pink. And we can do a thing where we huh? What? Okay, it just broke. It just decided to break on me. What the heck happened? What? Okay, it works fine if it's like there, but then it's like, what? Like if it's the final keyframe, it works fine. But if it's like any other keyframe, it's not fine. Why is that? If it, what if it's instant? No. Instant does not work at all. What? Okay. Override opacity, maybe? I don't... Oh. 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 I don't think I understand. You've seen this bug before? It's not the same bug. I know what you're talking about, but it's not the same bug because it's not the like. There's no other modifiers that are controlling the color. I think so. There's no like conflict going on here. Weird. Okay, let me go back and go to this object and then put it onto here. Okay, yeah, say it works. Yeah, I think it's just to do with yeah, the opacity. Yeah, you see, look, the opacity's gone. It's set to 0 for some reason. That's weird. Why is it like? Wait, if I put it as full? No, it doesn't matter. What? Okay, that is a bug. That is a definite bug right there. Okay, but yeah, at least that's the thing we can do now. We can change the colors of both. Yeah. That's so weird. Like if I turn it on, look, it's fine right now, like without any keyframe. But if I add a keyframe, what? And then after that keyframe, it's like it's normal, and that's if it's linear. If I set it to instant, nope, gone. What about other easing types? Okay, outside's fine. Outlast, every other easing is fine, except instant. What? And then linear is like, and it's like, what? Wait. What about instant and then another keyframe? What about instant and linear? Okay, it's the same. What is going on? That is such a weird bug. I didn't know what's going on there. Instant. I don't know what's going on there. Very weird. Okay, well, I'll look into that later. For now, I'm actually pretty close to finishing this, I think. I'll put this over here since it's kind of like an important object, I think. Actually, I think I'm going to put these clapsies a bit closer there. Okay, so by default, like these are the ears that it has. But we can also do the pointier ears. Although I might still, I think I might just go with the pointy ears. So I'm noticing the outline thickness is a bit weird here. There. Still a bit weird, but it is what it is. I think. I mean, I guess maybe I could probably do the like tuft of hair there too. Yeah, might as well. Actually, I'm gonna move these back. I think the way I want to structure my models now is just so it's like I don't have to keep scrolling down too much. I'm gonna make it so that like stuff like ears, tails and like hair and stuff should be like behind or like tertiary parents. And then like secondary parents should be stuff like the face, like stuff on the face itself. And then the primary parents with this. So okay. Wait. What? What is happening? Oh, I see. Oh wait, what? Why is it? I'm confused. Okay, no, that's fine. That's fine. I just got confused for a moment there. Okay, this is on layer 16. So put it on layer 16. So all in that to color. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, I have to reset these. So I think by default it'll have this color. One, two, three, four, five. And then let me add the left color tag. And then the right color tag. And also might as well add the building object tag. And now if I update this and change it like instant. Yeah. Wait. No, that's not. What? 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 Huh? I'm confused. These have the right color tag. Right? Yeah, it has the right color tag. So... Oh, it's probably because it's not assigned to the same prefab, right? Yes, okay. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, Tori, I don't know if you were like you probably weren't here earlier, so I might as well show you this feature I just added. So I don't know if you remember the editor group thing I added. There is a way to actually now assign or use have them use tags, and so it means if I was to right click this and select object group, it will select all the objects with the core parents tag. So that includes everything here too. Quick way to debug, yes. Let's see, I think... Oh, I actually need to rename these, because it's no longer hand X and Y, it's now hand pivot and hand. Because my like, I used to animate bosses with like, by moving their hands like left and right, and then like up and down, like similar to like X and Y parenting. Realized that wasn't like very authentic. But I just make your 2K level to 11K. What? I don't even know. What? Actually I do think as well. With the with this feature, editor groups, it would be nice to be able to maybe assign like a prefab or something. Because like, let's say I wanted to select the object group, but then like it selects everything, including this, and if like including this prefab. So maybe I could add like a way to specify, hey, I want to select like the prefab with this name or something. I don't know. And it will just bomb your level. Oh, that is insane. Actually, I want to see. I want to try a few different things as well. So this is face X, head X, head Y. So I want to do the rotation trick I did for some other boss models. So rotation Z, mirror. So if the rotation is like that, yeah, it will basically act as a sort of pivot. So it's a similar method to this. Except instead of it being a like anchor point, it's just a rotation offsetting thing. So I could rotate this, but it won't like rotate at all. But if I move the object, it will rotate like this. Because I mean, if I want to rotate the head right, I would just do this, right? So it makes sense to, and if I want to rotate it like around in an arc, I could literally just do it like that. So I think that like this method works for me, I think. And change it to face X. So the same thing could be done here as well. Oh no, it couldn't because, yeah, because of that, the parallaxing. I see. Huh. Interesting. Well, I think for now I won't do that because like I could do probably a cop axis group and stuff like that, but I'm not going to do that for now. So that means that I should avoid like the rotation thing. Or I mean, I guess it's fine on this, but like if I rotate it again the other way, and then I move it, or I move it down, yeah, it kind of bugs out like that. Or what do I hear if it's here? Yeah, it still kind of bugs out. Oh, it bugs out anyways? Oh, it is bugging. Wait, what? Okay, I forgot to do that. Which one is that? That's rotation, I think. On this side. Mirror. Okay, there we go. So if I move it this way, yeah, that's fine. Like, it's sort of fine. Actually, realistically, I feel like it should go the other way, really. Shouldn't it? Yeah, it should. But then there's like this problem. Because if I put it back to the other way, Yeah, it doesn't really make sense for it to do that. So if the face looks down, -2 maybe? That seems to be where it seems the most fine. Oh, maybe not. Okay, 1.6 seems fine. Okay. So, should I do... I mean, the more cartoonish kind of characters should really have that kind of style of, like, face rotation, really, I think. How did I handle this one? I think this one's just a simple copy axis left and right, yeah. So what I could probably do is... wait, no. If I... If I move this... If I move this face down, and then I rotate this, and I have it rotate the other way... Yeah, so it's like, it's not going to act the way I want it to. And I can't just do like, oh, hey, add the position X of face Y, because that's not how it works here, because it's not position X, it's rotation. So, yeah, I guess that's something I can't really do at the moment. Or there's definitely a way to do it, but I don't think I want to do it at the moment, or deal with it right now. So, actually, there is something I'm kind of curious about if I could do this. So what layer is that on? That's layer 12. Let me put this above a little bit higher. I'm kind of curious about something. Put this on layer 12. Oh, I have to put it higher? What? Okay. I see. Then I can make it a helper. Ooh, okay. Because another aspect of this is like, there is a slight like coloration to it. But also it's gonna require some like masking and stuff here. Or I could just not do that. I could not do that, and I could instead change it to another controller. Wait, if I turn this down, and then I change the, can I change the color? Yeah, I can. Interesting. So let's say it's like this, and then I change it to higher. Oh wait. Oh yeah, because it doesn't override the opacity, right? And then I turn it down. Okay. Oh, it does work. Cool. So I need to... I want to do a thing where the color does... Oh, I think I know how I'm going to do this. Okay, so I'm going to split this into two shapes. Where is it? It's editor index 8. So I want this to be 9. So it's still behind everything else. Core left color. I guess it's best I can call it there. Oh, it's the, no, it's the right. Right color. Oops. Okay, that's core left, that's core right. And then I could do the same thing for this, for the tail here. What is the editor index? 53. So this should be 54. Okay, it seems like there's another... yeah, more drop frames. Oh my gosh, okay. I don't know what's going on. I really don't know what's going on there. So my idea with this is to use the apply color group modifier and have the use like the log value. Broke the game for 10 times. Oh my gosh, Tori. Okay, get access math, or wait, no. Math, get math. Get math, or, okay, wait, no. It should be lerp times 0.1. And then oh wait, no. Actually, maybe... Okay, I'm gonna remove keyframe settings. Gonna turn this back to what it was before. And I'm gonna change it to scale X. Yeah, I changed it to scale X. So remove keyframe settings and change it to scale X. Lip, core lip. Oh gosh. Okay. I kind of freaked out for a moment there. So scale Y. And then do the same thing here. Core left color. Core lerp. And if I change it, change this. Yeah, there we go. That's exactly what I was looking for. Although there is some things I missed. Whoops. Okay, then update that. Okay, getting there. Okay, then this should also be the same deal. Okay, then I can go to this and copy all, paste, and I need a apply color group to be flipped. Okay, then go to this. And there we go. So now there can be a slight coloration to it. Or you can have no coloration. Okay, I think that's a good solution to this. Let me go to the name now, because it's supposed to be, yeah, RT viral inker. Or technically it can count as super inker. I guess it is still viral, but it's like but super inker is just more control over it. What's the size of the hands? 3.5. And the outline is 3.5. Yeah, okay, that's fair. That's good. And 9, 3. Jeez. Some cars are just so loud. Okay, so now if I reset those values, yep, it's all good. Okay, I think that's done. Because we got the coloration thing. Oh, and we can also do the, we can actually change the color as well. So if I go to this, yeah, 0.2. So I'm gonna copy the left color onto the right color, and boom. We could also, we could even do like a flash. Oh, wait. We could even do this. We could even do this, where it sets to entirely this color. Okay. But then the thing is, you can kind of see... you can kind of see these outlines here. Okay. And then for the moonstone, I don't know. I'm not sure. I think, Because, like, technically, she doesn't really have much to do with the moonstone anymore. I think, maybe, or I might still do that, I'm not sure. I haven't really finalized that. Or new. Oh, I think this level has, like, heavy epilepsy, so let me turn the effects off. Heavy effects, yeah. Okay. So... Oh, I did actually try to update this a little bit. Because using the actual colors. And yeah, there is the moonstone still there, so... Okay. Actually, let's look at with it. Oh, jeez. Wow. I think I'll still keep it, but what I'm gonna do is use some polygon shape stuff. I wonder what I could do to kind of... get this to work. I think this could actually be fine, I think. If we do it like this, and then... do the entire ring. Do I even have the moonstone here? I think I do. Yeah, I do. Right here. Base moonstone. Wait, is it really just 5 objects? Huh. Okay. Interesting. So I think that's what I'm gonna try to do instead, something more like that. So, okay. What else do I need to do here? Oh, I guess, yeah, I should also rename the objects, the base objects too. So, inker, RT viral inker. There. Hmm. I wonder if I should maybe change the eyes as well. Okay, so this is the original. Oh, I forgot to. Whoops. Forgot to change the these ears as well. Actually, what I could do is copy tag list. Does that work? So that should work, right? And then paste tag list override. Yeah, that works. Cool. Okay, that saves a lot of time right there. Oh wait, hold on. Oops. Of color. Okay, that should work now. If I go back, yeah. Now it changes color. Yeah, cool. I am thinking, I am maybe thinking about doing something about the eyes. What is this? Okay, that's a polygon shape. Oh, I could maybe do something with the eyes. Should I though? You know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna hide these eyes. Wait, it's a blink object as well. Wait, what is this? Blink. Oh, okay. I didn't, and I haven't even updated that either. It's still kind of old. Dang. What do I do about this? Copy? I guess I can copy that and try to like do something about that. 3.4. Okay, I guess all I need to do is really just like copy, cover the eyes. So copy that and copy that, and then paste it onto here, mirror, and paste it onto here. There you go. Okay. Interesting. So I won't worry about that for now though. Just need the these objects. Pupils. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Because I have an idea with the with inker here. Face Y. And I'm going to assign the prefab. Oh, it's just those cat. Wow. Jeez, the old name. Okay, now let me add this to here. Actually, I can be quicker to copy tag list, then paste tag list override. And then for the eyes, so I keep like having frame drops for some reason. Yeah, a lot of drop frames. Jeez, I don't know what's going on there. Genuinely, like it's I don't know if my internet is like being weird. Like maybe I'm having some connection issues or something. I'm not sure. Okay, then let me update that. Okay, and then there's also this. The cover. So we've got different types of eyes. We've got the more accurate eyes, and we've also got the those simpler eyes. So I'm thinking in order to kind of associate the character more to Anchor, it's gonna be important to use these eyes, I think, instead. So yeah, that means I think I'm just gonna get rid of these eyes. Where's that shade object? Okay. Oh, I guess I could yeah, hide 3D axis, hide flip button. What's going on there? What is that? Oh, that's a shade object, isn't it? I think. Right? Oh, it is. I see. Huh. Copy axis. Oh, is it like some weird oh, it is some weird calculation. I see. That's how it shows up. Huh. And also it's like, there seems to be something behind it though. Is that the object? No, I don't know what is that? Oh, it is like, it's a shade. Because yeah, there is a slight shade there. Layer 14. What layers is this on? What render depth is, what render depth? 10. So I'll put this one like a layer, put this in 9, and then put this on 10. I'm gonna make the eyebrows a little bit thinner. There we go. Oh, and something I could probably do as well is I'm gonna put the put this hand here. Power hand. And then put this in front. But then set it to like 0, opacity. Okay. And then I could do the same thing for the other hand. Maybe even turn, oh, I could even turn opacity effects collision on, because then you could do a thing where we turn it on, and then, and it's also normal as well. And it could be a hitbox. Okay. That's cool. I like that. Maybe I could do also the same kind of thing for the central body, maybe? Okay, these objects are organized weirdly. I don't know what's going on here. What is happening? Okay, so this is that. Okay, that's that. That's the lash. Yeah, I got that. There's another lash. That's the pupil shine. Another pupil shine. What's this? Okay, that's a shade. That's another shade. And then that's the, okay, that's the other one. I think I want to stack the like two separate eyes, the eyes separately. So I want to do it in a specific order. So I'm going to do the eye shadow kind of thing there. So that's the shadow. Yep. And this is like the main eye parts. Also, I forgot that I can actually change the color too. Oh, yeah. Then the pupil shine. Which side is which? Okay, that's that side, so I'll put that there. Okay, so what is this? Okay, that's the eyelash. Or like the polygon shaped eyelash object thing. Huh? What is that? Oh, is that a cover object? I think it's supposed to be an eyelash object similar to this. So I'm gonna set that to the right color. Yeah. There we go. And then this one's gonna be set to the left color. Wait, does it mean like when the eyelids close now they don't... Okay, yeah, they don't have that weird like black spot there. Okay, cool. So that's what that was, I see. Okay. And then it's like another eye object thing. And then I don't know what that is, but yeah. Okay, this is all organized now. Don't need those eye objects anymore. Okay, and I want to do some editor ordering. So reverse indexes. Actually, wait. No, I should do it the other way around. So I should move this back. Move this back. And then do the same thing there. Oops, I forgot to... I should add like a sort button, like a sort indexes button, I think. Like, so I can sort by, specifically like by song time and bin. So it's like, so you can have something similar to this. I think that'd be nice, if I remember to do that. Okay. What else do I need to do here? Let me make sure they're also assigned to the like correct object group, because there is a chance that it, like one of these objects is not properly assigned. I think that might be it, maybe. Or what? Yeah, no, there was something I wanted to do. I think it was sort of the hitbox stuff. So, maybe this outline could be like could become even thicker. Okay, I forgot to put the put these colors on here. Okay, so now I can do a thing where the color changes. Actually, I don't really need that last bit there. Oh yeah, I need to update that. Okay. Cool. Oh geez, why is my kilobytes per second is like really down? That is weird. How long have I been streaming for? It's 2 hours, so I think I'll stream a little bit more, a little bit longer. Or at least I'll finish this model and then I think I'll end it there. Wait, if I uncollapse this, is it going to be in front? Okay, no, it's not. Cool. So now, when there's a hitbox, yeah, the outline is a bit thicker. You could even have it so it changes to a white color instead, right? No. Yeah, you can't do that, I see. So I think that's it. That's all I wanted to do with this model. Oh, okay. I think that's, yeah, I need to turn that on. Okay, that should work now. Yeah, cool. I'm actually wondering, should I change this to white or no? I think it depends. Like maybe there's like a specific attack where that she does in a lull where it's like her eyes turn black or something. So but I think that by default it'll be like this maybe. And then I also need to switch the ears. This is going to parent to this, right? Yeah. So Then let me get rid of this. Your left object. Actually, I should change it to ear left 1 because it's like, this is the normal. Oh, I didn't add the flipping thing here. Man, oh. Change this to ear left, ear right 2. Then ear left 2. Here's controller. I'm actually doing a lot for this model, more than I thought I was going to do initially. But I'm actually liking it. And I need to change this to a toggle. Why are there hours like, well, I was like, I don't know, I was debating whether I should be like this or this, I'm not sure. I think it might be either or, like, depends on the attack maybe, like, or like what they do in the level. Or maybe like a specific emotion, like maybe, like, maybe it could be like this when she's like upset or something. Because I would just say, yeah, she's a bit of an emotional train wreck at this point in the story. Let me change the label to... Oh wait, no, this shouldn't be a toggle, it should be a drop down. Change drop down, add entry, normal. Or actually viral, I'm gonna change it to viral. And then add entry, super. Viral, super. Get axis, rotation Z from self. I mean, I guess maybe that I could do a sequence offset, maybe. And then enable object group. Hold on, that's not right. I need this. And then I need this. Left ear controller. I think I'm gonna make it a left ear controller instead. And then I need to put axis var onto this drop down. And it should be that, right? Yeah, super. There we go. Huh? Wait, where's the outline? The outline's vanished. Weird. Okay, but this should work. So 0, 1. And I'm gonna set the max to 1. Oh no, 2. Set it to 2. So now it switches between the two. Yeah, however, it's like the one of the ears is missing. One of the ear objects is missing for some reason. And I don't know why. Oh, I know why. I think I know why. Yeah, that's why. Because it was parented before. That's why. There you go. And there we go. And again, we can change the eye color. It could be whatever we want it to be. So again, depending on this situation. And yeah, I like the fact that the ears can like change like that. I'm gonna need to remove these though. Also, it should be ignore last span for now. Cool. And that still works. Yep. Okay, nice. I think, is that it? Like, there's no, like, is that really it? I mean, maybe. Because, yeah, I did the color on that. There is like a flash, but against like this, you'll still see like the truth there. But again, it's not really like I don't really want to change that color. So that indicates, so these indicate that there's a hitbox, or that it is going to damage you. And there's the super inker mode right there. I'm not sure what else I wanted to. I am kind of curious about something. Let me see. Particle system. I know the like modern editor, like Afterbeat does have particle system, and I do need to like port it, but I don't know. So I'm just curious because I think there is probably something I could do. Yeah, I'll do that later. I think maybe once I implement the particle system. Because a cool idea is for like the viral inker form to kind of have like a bit of a flame effect. Just trying to think of anything else that I need to do here. Or that I want to do. Let me think about the original concept of the character. Is that actually like genuinely everything? I think it is, yeah. So, yeah, I could probably call it there, I think. Okay, that was actually a fun model to make. I like this. Once again, I'm gonna make sure it's all assigned to the same prefab. I don't know, because I know if there's maybe like one object that isn't. Okay, and apply. There we go. Okay, get you off screen, because I need to take a screenshot of the character now. Edit. So RT viral inker. Does the normal form have a... yeah. So I'm gonna add a bit of lore there. This is straight up like 2.0, I think. Technically there was like there was the previous model I just had, right? Which is technically, actually, that's 2.0, because there was an older version, I think. Yeah, so I'm actually gonna say this is 3.0. This is like a massive overhaul of an overhaul, so... I'm gonna keep it like that. Oops. Edit, is it tags? No, there's no tags, huh? Add a default tag. Boss, media, or no, technically she's not part of media, so I'll keep that, remove that. She is part of system mirror though. Rhythm tech. I don't have trick moon though, so. Add the default tags. And then copy tag list. Okay, that's that done, and I can get rid of this model. Okay, now there's only a few more characters and things I need to update. For example, the Moonstone is still sort of out of date. I do need to get back to this, and I do also need to work on Prince. I want to make him a bit more, much nicer, or more comparable to all these other models. Then Forger? That's like the Trick Moon version of Mecha. Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna do anything with him. I might actually... Or no, he does appear in Act 2 of Tokyo, so... I guess maybe I should do something, but we'll see. That Nozzle is like a frog dude. Someone's a grotto. Oh, what the heck? Okay, the colors are broken on that for some reason. It's weird. Where is... Nodo, right. He's supposed to have like an armor kind of set thing, but I need to work on that. So I guess that is a model I can update at some other point, but it's like I'll need to figure out what his character's like. He's part of the same like group as Buffer is in my fan end series. Because all these like Trick Moon characters, like Inker here, this is a fan OC character. That takes place in like my own like interpretation of Trick Moon. In fact, now I want to see if I can try animating this. So I'm gonna go to Trick Moon. I did have Aura. Yeah, Aura New, but I'm gonna do a test level, I think. Create folder, test. Create level, Aura. Creo. Aura. I might actually do that. And then Aura, there we go. Okay, so I could probably do some like animating to this. Let's see. Import Rhythm Tech, because it's kind of like the default theme here, because why not? Remove all the backgrounds, because there's no 3D backgrounds here. Oh yeah, I need to... There's BPM. Oh, it's actually correct this time. Huh. Usually like it multiplies by 2 for some reason, or it's like slightly off. Or not off, but it's like it's multiplied by 2, so I have to divide it by 2. Just because I didn't have to. Okay, I'm actually gonna have to take a look at how the original works. Let me see. Because it's been a while since I've seen the original level, actually. Well, I think it's here, right? Yeah, I could just look at here. Let's see if I can get some inspiration from this. There's not too much that it does. I think it does some like, yeah, pulses and stuff. Or it does some like wall slamming, kind of typical of me back then. And the kind of stuff I did. What about here? So there's, oh, okay. So, it's not even aligned. But I like the idea. I like the idea. Wait, there's details there? Okay, there's actual details of like, huh. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. And then there's like a segment where it's like it like chases you and stuff. But I didn't even know what's supposed to happen here. Like what's going on? There's a helper here. Is that actually a helper or is what? What is this? Is there a hitbox? Yeah, there is a hitbox. Okay. So you're supposed to kind of just like keep dashing in that direction, I guess. Okay. Interesting. And then it kind of loops. It repeats itself. Yeah. Doesn't do too much different. Oh, but it does do like this part here. Bullet heck time. Bullet hell time. Okay, interesting. Isn't there like a thing here? No, it kind of just stays in the center. I see. Okay, so I could probably do better with this one maybe. I do like the idea of it like using the moonstone as like a laser thing. So let's see. I need to change the color, I think, because I think it's going to be the blue variant, like the light blue half instead of the that. And should I do the pointed ears? And no. I guess like yeah, she's kind of going crazy right now, so she should have the pointed ears. What can I do here? I'll probably have her snap in, like, kind of spawn in instantly, like this. Just so I can animate this as a separate model. So if I need to have, like, a separate model earlier on, I can do that. And here's like a so this is kind of like a long sound. Like I could probably do something too. Like I want to do like a laser thing here, and then maybe maybe I could do more lasers, similar to like what it did before. Maybe bullet hell. And I don't want to do too much of the dashing around thing either. Let me also create an annotation here. Damn. I mean, I don't need it to be perfect, so it's fine. Then I can copy this, flip horizontally, and paste, right? No. Huh, okay, interesting. Why is it like that? I can select the annotations, right? Yeah. Okay, weird. Can I paste it now? No. What? I'm so confused. What is happening? Wait, if I paste it, what if I paste it now? Okay, it's on the other side for some reason. That's weird. Okay. Oh, I guess it's maybe it thinks it's the same thing. So we're going upwards, kind of outwards in this general direction, right? Then, so there's like a beam going up. So I think it's gonna come from the center down here. It's gonna go around like this, up to here. So your goal is to kind of like dash downwards through it, or maybe you could also be up here, but that's kind of dangerous. Maybe because maybe like Anchor does something up there. Oh yeah, maybe like it becomes like a square, or not a square, like a circle thing, like hexagon kind of thing. Because like you could be up here, right? But that's dangerous because it's like you could then get hit. So your main goal is to then dash through the laser instead. So I'm thinking. Maybe I could design like a shield orb kind of thing. Yeah, let me design like a shield orb. And then I'll want to parent to this. Then I want to do this. I guess like it is sort of similar to that. Okay, then I could probably. Oh, I want to do something a little bit extra with this. So let's miss maybe 2 slices, rotate it by 10 degrees. Does that work? I don't think so, because if I rotate this around and then I flip it this way and I make it transparent, yeah, it's not quite right. Maybe it should be like 11.5 or something. No. 0.75 maybe. I can still see it down there. Okay, I think that is the correct way to do it. Or maybe okay, no, I'm not gonna do it like that. I'm gonna do it like instead like this. Sort of similar to what I did for a different thing. That will not mention yet, because like kind of spoilers. And maybe I could do, okay, maybe I could change this to be more of a moon shape. Huh? What? Okay, that was weird. Or, no, I don't do that. I don't do that. I instead do this. Make it smaller, remove slices, and then make the moon shape. I do sort of think that this should be, yeah, should be more of that kind of moon shape. And I could attach the, wait, so if the face moves up, okay, yeah, it goes with the moonstone goes with the face, okay. So then attaches to the face. And then move it up to where the moonstone is. And I think I want it also to be maybe a bit zoomed out too. Actually, I might just do 100 instead. So I want to disappear here because I want them to lead into this attack with the shield orbit. So it's gonna. I think it's gonna be similar to like what some other PA bosses do, where they like turn into orbit thing, or maybe they might even just like spawn it above their head or something. Just instantly. I guess we'll do the flashed color thing here instead. What's it cool that you can do it like invert it like that? And then the eyes. Wait, are these even parents? They're not parents, they're controllers. Okay, I forgot to change that. Oh. I think I'm actually going to remove these for now. Okay, I want to change these so they're a bit higher. Actually, maybe not that high. Wait, I just realized something. I forgot something. I know I forgot something. Oh no, I forgot to do the mouth, I think, right? Yeah, it's still the same. Dang it. It's still the same mouth. I wanted to do the like split color thing here too. Oh well. Yeah. I should probably use this later on. So I'm thinking of doing something else here because it could be a bit more in line with what I'm kind of doing here. I'm thinking, like, this kind of sounds like a spinning kind of motion. In the original, it's like they're just kind of standing there, like shooting the bullets and stuff, but maybe it could be something similar here. Let's see how long the stream's. Okay, I've been streaming for 3 hours. So I think I'll. Yeah, I think I'll leave it there because. Yeah. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with this model. Aside from the fact that I forgot to do the mouth, but that is what it is. I'll do that after the stream, I think. Just wanted to do a quick stream today. To again kind of reinforce that I want to stream more often these days. So yeah, I'll end it there. I'll see you guys next stream.